The Executive Secretary, National Health Insurance Scheme (NHIS), Professor Mohammed Sambo, says the scheme has developed a framework to extend health insurance to cover members of the National Youth Service Corps (NYSC). Sambo, who announced this when he featured on Forum, the flagship news agency of Nigeria NAN program in Abuja, said the gesture, which is a presidential directive, will boost universal health coverage.
What I can say with the NYSC program, we have developed a comprehensive framework in partnership with NYSC. We are waiting for the disbursement of the fund to begin to cover them.
The scheme was also working to address complaints that health maintenance organizations were owing health service providers.
There were a lot of complaints, but last year, in spite of COVID, we embarked on aggressive exercise of reconciliation between the healthcare providers and the HMOs. And through that exercise, before we embark on the exercise, we sent it in the media that any healthcare facility that has complaint of that is being owed by HMO should submit his complaint. And we generated all the complaints by the healthcare facilities that have responded. Then we set up a mechanism of reconciliation between the HMOs and the providers in every state of Nigeria. And through that exercise, we have been able to take a stock of the total claims by the providers.
The NHIS boss also said the scheme at the end of 2020 was able to retrieve 2 billion naira from the health maintenance organizations for payment to the healthcare providers.
And through mutual agreement, 2.3 billion naira was assumed to be uncontroverted money that is being owed by HMOs. And we insisted that HMOs must pay that fund. And as the end of last year, we have been able to retrieve 2 billion naira from HMOs to the healthcare facilities.